Hello everyone, welcome to the Developers and Coders Club of NIT-A. Today we have a question from A2OG ladder, the child and the homework. In this question, we have given a child who has multiple choice questions as a homework with the options A, B, C, D, where it has provided with the strings in the following four options, where child has to find a great choice and the great choice of the string would be decided either it would be shorter than all other strings provided in the rest of the options, or it will be twice longer than all other strings provided in the rest of the options. Else, if there is no great choice, then by default we have chosen a C option to be the luckiest choice. So in the input format, we have provided with the four options A, B, C, D, where we have given the strings. So basically the idea behind the question is we have to calculate the string length and then find whether is there any string of any options which can be either twice shorter or longer than rest of the strings. If there is such option given, then we have a great choice with that option. Otherwise, we have taken the by default option C as our answer. So let's see this. So in the first input test case, the length of the first string we have is 39, and the length of the second string we have 37, and length of the C string in the C option is 35, where the length of the string in the D option is 15. So all the three strings provided in the above three options are twice greater than equal to the string length in the D option. So the great choice we have is D. Now in the second test case, the length of the first string in A option is 2. The length of second string in B option is 5. 2 again string length of C option, and third. So here we can clearly see that there is no such string which can be either twice is shorter or longer than any of the strings. So by default we have come up with the output answer as C option. Now in the third test case, we have C as our string of one length, double C, the length of the string is 2, and rest the string length are 1. So we can clearly see that the string length of the B option is twice greater than rest of the strings. So the great choices we have B option. So let's see its code. Here we initialize the string, then we have taken a variables of maximum length, minimum length, and the indexes, maximum index and minimum index. Then we initialize an array. Then we taken an input of the entire string length by taking a getLine function. Then we sort the string and initialize two bool functions, hasmax and hasmin. If hasmax is equals hasmin, then we can see out our string C. Else we have taken hasmin and then implement a for loop where index of C0 plus 2 is equals a string length, and then we can take the output of the string length which eventually leads to the option which can be either greater or shorter. With the hasmin we have given the option with twice shorter length of input. Similarly, hasmax will be provided the option of the string which is twice greater than the rest of the options. So here is the code of the problem. Thank you.